Hi there. I'm Maxwell. You know, the guy who still plays with toys at 35. Well, invents them actually. Or tries to anyway. Well, invents them actually. Or tries to anyway. This is my workshop. Or as I like to call it, the land of misfit toys that never made it. I've had my fair share of, let's call them, learning experiences. But hey, every great inventor had their flops, right? Tomorrow's the big day, the toy fair. My last chance to prove I'm not just a failure. Whoa! Sorry, Mr. Fluffles. I'll work on your trajectory, eventually.
Maxwell, dear, the world needs to see these magical creations. Don't let fear hold you back.
But what if they don't like them? What if I'm not good enough? That's Mrs. Figgins. She's always believed in me. Sometimes I think she's the only one who does. You see, I've never been very good at, well, succeeding. But I keep trying. Because, well, what else can I do? But you know what? Every failure is just a step closer to success. At least that's what I keep telling myself. Ladies and gentlemen, I present myself falling flat on my face. Come on, Maxwell, pull it together. It's just your entire future on the line, no pressure. And then something happened, something magical. Huh? What's going on? Am I dreaming? This can't be real. I must have inhaled too much paint fumes. Whoa there, little guy. I've got you. You're really alive, aren't you? And in that moment, everything changed. Suddenly, I wasn't just a failed inventor. I was responsible for these little lives. And maybe, just maybe, I had created something truly special after all. Oh boy, what am I going to do with all of you? Wait a second. The toy fair! You're coming with me. This is it. This is our chance to show the world what we can do. Together, we're going to make magic happen. Well, folks, this is where things get interesting. And by interesting, I mean completely, utterly terrifying. Okay, everyone, stay close and act. You know, not alive. No, get back here, you little speed demon. But what's that, buddy? You want to explore too? Oh boy, what have I gotten myself into? You know, it's funny. I'd spent so long trying to create the perfect toy, I'd forgotten what it was like to see the world through a toy's eyes. Look at them go, they're amazing. Oh no, someone's coming. Act natural. Just doing some early morning toy yoga. It's the latest craze. Oh, you think that's funny? Just wait till you have to explain why a robot is doing downward dog. All right, Captain Splash, let's not start an international incident. Et tu, Robbie. I'm surrounded by comedians. Oh boy, this is it, guys, the big leagues. What do you think, little buddy? Are we ready for this? You're right. We've got something they don't. We've got magic. And maybe a few loose screws, but mostly magic. And just like that, we were in. The underdogs, the misfits, the... Wait, where did the slinky go? Oh, for crying out loud! You know that feeling when everything's going great and then suddenly it's not? Yeah, welcome to my world.
Well, hello there. I couldn't help but notice your unique toys. How about we discuss a little business proposition?
Oh, business? With me? Are you sure you have the right person? I mean, I'm just... me.
Oh, I'm quite sure. Those toys of yours, they seem almost alive. I'd love to buy your technology.
In that moment, I felt like I was in one of those nature documentaries. You know? Where the cute, fuzzy animal is about to be eaten by the sleek, terrifying predator. That is... They're not... I mean... No, wait, don't touch him. I mean it. Don't touch it. No. Come back here. Stay still. Act normal. Why am I even saying that? Oh, this is a disaster.
That's it. You're disqualified.
Disqualified? But I... Oh no.
These toys are all the same. Don't they make anything fun anymore?
Yeah, I wish there was something
magical.
Magical. That's it. I've been so caught up in trying to fit in, I forgot what makes my toys special. It's time to embrace the magic. Hey there, buddy, I'm so sorry. I almost forgot what makes you special. What makes me special? You're right. It's time to show them what real magic looks like. All right, Maxwell. Time to believe in your own magic. What do you say, pal? Ready to change the world? Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Maxwell, and I'm here to show you, well, something a little different. You see, I believe toys should be more than just plastic and circuits. They should have personality, charm, and maybe even a little magic. Come on, guys, don't let me down now. Ladies and gentlemen, meet Robbie.
Mommy, look, the toys are alive.
You see, each of these toys has its own personality. Take Captain Braveheart here. He may be small, but he's got the courage of a lion. Squeak, squeak. Roar. And this little guy may look like your average bath toy, but he's got a hidden talent. You know, for years I thought I was a failure because my toys weren't perfect or high-tech. But now I realize it's their imperfections that make them special, just like us. Couldn't have said it better myself, buddy. We did it, guys. We really did it. So this is what it feels like to believe in your own magic. Remember, folks, life's more fun when you play with heart.
And so, Maxwell and his merry band of misfit toys found their place in the world, reminding us all that a little imagination can make anything possible.